All right. Look like made it over to the health and nutrition page, and I'm happy about that. I struggled with Immunitech and Immunical, the product, in the very beginning because I wanted so badly for everybody to understand the importance of this product. It has some ingredients in it that I just never knew about, the glutathione and the cysteine, and how they formulated this product to help the immune system is amazing. The very first day I tried the product, it gave me great relief in my feet and my legs. And the more I studied about the product, the more I learned about the effects of glutathione and how these different cells need that extra help to fight in your body. So the more of this product I put in my body, the better energy I got, the more relief I got around the neuropathy symptoms in my feet and legs. And if anybody that has diabetes knows what I'm talking about when it comes to this uncomfort, the throbbing, the pulsating. I could try to get more descriptive, but I just want you guys to know that this product will give anybody, I went through a lot of things, so to say anybody is a big thing, but I know for a fact that I struggle with that pain. And until I came into the knowledge of mineralization and more mineralization, and then you have to work the body so you can get all of the old acidic conditions out of those muscles and joints, and your body will let you know. So you're in a good location. Study this product, see what it does for your body, because I know that it did great things in mine. The benefits will follow me until I no longer can put it in my body because it's just that good. So I want you guys to check it out. The basic information that you got to fill out to get to that information to order some of these products, and you can work their referral program. You can do it from any perspective you want. I myself have become a distributor. I have this blog that I'm trying to build up and get around the world, so it'll work out fine. Just sharing this information for me, because my main thing is that I'll be able to help anybody I can with getting out of pain. That's the bottom line. So check this out, move away from the pain, and much success to you. You know, if you want more information, you'll be able to contact me. I got a contact page. Going back and update some information on that, and check me out. You know, my journey is real, and I'm trying to help as many people as I can with getting out of pain, man. Have a great day. Check out the information.